Welcome to Sainthil's Tech Academy.
Let us learn some introduction about materials around us.
A material is a substance or mixture of substances that constitutes an object of elements in modern science. Materials can be pure or impure, living or non-living matter. Materials can be classified based on their physical and chemical properties, or on their geological origin or biological function. Materials are involved with all elements of physics, chemistry, biology, and all engineering domains. In engineering industry, materials are inputs to manufacturing processes to produce the products or more complex materials for other industry. Materials science is the study of materials and their applications. Let us understand some basic facts about elements of modern science. First, we see about solids. Some general characteristics of solid state are definite shape, definite volume, definite melting point, incompressibility, and low rate of diffusion. Solids also have a high density, meaning that the particles are tightly packed together. A solid, as opposed to a liquid or gas, has a size and shape to it. Solids do not flow in a given temperature. Ice is a solid, but when it melts it becomes a liquid. Other examples of solids are cars, books and clothes. Solids can be different colors and textures, and they can be turned into different shapes, for example clay. Some properties of solids are electrical and thermal conductivity, malleability and ductility, melting point, solubility. Some solids are shown in following slideshow. Just have a look.
Now let we see some facts of liquids. The liquid is an intermediate state between other two principal states, namely the gas and the solid. Like gases, liquids can flow and take on the shape of the container in which they are placed. One important fact of liquid is, a liquid boils at lower temperature at the top of a mountain than at the sea level. This is because the pressure at the top of a mountain is lower than that at the sea level. This lowers the boiling point of the liquid. All liquids show the following characteristics. Liquids are almost incompressible. In liquids, molecules are pretty close to each other. Liquids have fixed volume but no fixed shape. Liquids flow from higher to lower level. Liquids have their boiling points above room temperature, under normal conditions. Every small force makes a liquid change its shape by flowing. Fluids that flow slowly have a high viscosity. The characteristics of liquid pressure are: liquid pressure increases with depth and remains the same in all directions at a given depth. Liquid pressure depends upon the density of the liquid. Liquid exerts pressure on the sides of the container. A liquid seeks its own level. Some liquids are shown in the following slideshow. Just have a look.
Now let us know some important facts about gas. While natural gas is composed of mainly methane, which is made from a majority of hydrogen, gasoline is composed of carbon compounds. Both come from inside the earth, but methane is found in natural reserves while carbon compounds come from crude oil. Natural gas produces fewer harmful emissions, such as carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide, than gasoline. Gas is a state of matter that has no fixed shape and no fixed volume. Gases have lower density than other states of matter, such as solids and liquids. There is a great deal of empty space between particles, which have a lot of kinetic energy. Some facts of gases are: like solids and liquids, gas is a common state of matter. Pure gases are made up of just one atom. Elemental gases are made up of two or more of the same atoms joined together. Compound gases contain a combination of different atoms. The air we breathe here on Earth is made up of different gases. Properties of gases are compressibility, expandability, diffusivity and pressure. As gases contain scattered molecules that are dispersed across a given volume, they are less dense than in their solid or liquid states. Gases have no definite shape or volume. Can we see gases? For example, nitrogen dioxide is deep red-orange gas, chlorine has a yellowish-green hue and iodine vapor is a vivid purple. Other gases in the atmosphere, particularly oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor, also absorb light, but at ultraviolet and infrared wavelengths that we can't see.
Now let we see some facts of plasma as a matter of materials. Plasma is a state of matter that is often thought of as a subset of gases, but the two states behave very differently. Like gases, plasmas have no fixed shape or volume, and are less dense than solids or liquids. But unlike ordinary gases, plasmas are made up of atoms in which some or all of the electrons have been stripped away and positively charged nuclei, called ions, roam freely. This plasma as state of matter is different from blood plasma, that is the liquid portion of blood, which transports nutrients and wastes and maintains blood pressure and homeostasis. A plasma is created when one or more electrons are torn free from an atom. A plasma is generally a mix of these positively charged ions and negatively charged electrons. Most plasmas are created when extra energy is added to a gas, knocking electrons free from atoms. High temperatures often cause plasmas to form. In a plasma, the electrons are ripped from atoms to produce freely moving ions. Since ions and electrons are charged, they respond to electric and magnetic forces and interact with each other through these forces as well. Some examples of plasmas are shown in the following slideshow. Just have a look.
This video is a product of YesTA channel in India. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our YesTA channel.
Please tap the notification bell icon of our YesTA channel for the instant intimation about our new videos at your doorstep.
Thank you for watching our YesTA channel.